What are you doing?
Have a drink.
Get your hand out of your cup. What are you drinking out of?
I'll drink it.
What you drinking?
A mermaid.
You're drinking mermaid. No. What are you drinking? What's in your cup?
Cookie cup.
Yeah, in your cookie cup.
A mermaid.
No, your mermaid's not in your cookie cup. You want to show me a picture of your mermaid?
Picture of the mermaid.
Oh, did you draw that picture?
I saw paper.
No. Hey, what do you want for Christmas?
A Christmas treat.
Christmas treats? Yeah? What else?
And hair.
Oh, more hair? I think you got plenty. Oh, you mean the Barbie hair?
A Barbie hair.
Oh, okay. What else do you want for Christmas?
A Kiffy hair.
Yeah?
Kiffy hair.
Yeah?
Kiffy hair.
You want makeup?
Makeup.
Makeup? But you don't need makeup. You're pretty.
Lipstick.
Oh, lipstick?
Haha.
Oh. What do you wear lipstick for?
I can get
Yeah?
a picture number 3.
Yeah?
Picture number 3.
Your presents can go under the tree?
Aha.
Where's your Christmas tree?
A cookie.
Oh, and cookies? Ooh, Christmas. Lots of Christmas cookies, huh?
What's that?
Yeah, Daddy likes Christmas cookies? Huh?
Eat it.
He eats them? You make them and he eats them? Oh, like that? Oh my goodness. Is he gonna get fat from eating Christmas cookies? Yeah, like Santa Claus? Is that a secret? Is that a secret, Katie?
Cookie.
Yeah. Does Santa Claus eat cookies? Does Santa Claus eat cookies? What's Santa say?
Santa.
What's Santa say?
It's Santa say.
What's he say?
It's Santa. Ho ho ho.
Ho, ho, ho. That's right. Okay. Say bye-bye to the camera.
Bubba come out.
Are you going to say bye?
Bye.